Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. A very easy pizza crust is on our menu today. I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Yes, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so we're going to make a pizza crust, and we are going to make it from the Betty Crocker pizza crust recipe. But before we do this, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to show you how to make it homemade if you don't, or you can't find it, or you don't want to buy store-bought ingredients. So give me a second, stir this a little bit. I'm going to go right into talking about these ingredients. Alright, so let's quickly talk about what we need. You see the ingredients up there. I am going to list these ingredients and the directions in the description box down below. So the same thing I got out of that package right there, that's the same thing you'll get right here with the flour, the baking powder, salt, milk, vegetable oil. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow the same directions that I am using for this. So you put those ingredients in a bowl, and for this one you don't have to use hot water, you'll use milk. So hang tight, watch what I do the same thing. So easy, put all those ingredients in the bowl, or either you put this package of pizza dough in a bowl. Alright, and that's what you want to do. You want it to form a ball, so don't put any flour, don't put anything in here. Alright, you want it to form a ball, and when it does, you want to put some plastic over it, and you want to let it sit for 5 minutes. But obviously the other ingredients will have different instructions, so make sure you check the description box down below and follow those directions. Alright, so you want to take your pan. I'm going to use a cast iron skillet. I do recommend that you do too, but if you have a pizza pan and that's what you want to use, that's fine. So you either put some non-stick oil or some kind of oil on here, so vegetable oil, olive oil, alright, non-stick spray, all of it will work. Doesn't matter which one. Alright, so you want to take your pizza dough out of the bowl, and then what you're going to do with that pizza dough, it's going to be slightly sticky. But you got the oil on your finger, so you should be okay. What you want to do is you just want to work this into the shape of whatever pan you're using. So if it's square, doesn't matter. So you're going to work it, and trust me, this turns out to be a really great pizza dough. So you can see right there, I had a little hole. What you want to do is you just want to pull your dough back over that hole a little bit. It works. So if you have holes like that, don't leave them. Just take the dough and push some over on it and close it. Because this is going to bake in the oven. So this is going to bake in the oven for about 5 minutes before the toppings get put on it. So, alright. So after we form and shape this, then pretty much you good to go. So you have your pizza ingredients ready. All you have to do. But in order to see how I did the entire pizza, check out my pizza video. It's great too, because you can do seafood, you can do any toppings you want. Alright, so check that out, and I'm going to show you what this looks like right now. Alright, so after 10 to 15 minutes in a 450 degree oven, this is what you get. You'll get a golden brown crust like that. It's crunchy with those toppings on the top. It's really delicious. So I'm telling you, y'all gotta go make this. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.